Hello, welcome back to my studio. Well, I'm not talking about painting techniques today, but I'm talking about paintings, and more particularly a new line of paintings that I've added to my online gallery. Many of you have asked, what about the paintings you've seen me do in a demonstration video or on my courses? Are those paintings available for sale? And up to this point, I haven't been offering them for sale. But there's been quite a lot of interest shown in them, and I thought I would go through the paintings that I've done, because I generally keep all of them, and see what I can put together for you if you want to acquire one of these for your collection. Now, most of these demonstrations, if not all, are done on some form of paper, something like Arches oil painting paper, or a card, or paper that I have prepared with gesso. And what I'm doing is putting these together with a mat board and a backing board, so they are ready to frame and protected as well. So you can put them behind glass, or if you choose, you can leave them exposed. There are, for the most part, oil paintings. But here's a few examples of what you can expect. Here is a painting. It's an oil painting on paper, as I've said, with a mat board cut for it and a foam core backing board. And you can give this to your framer and they can put it in a frame of your choice. As I said, behind glass as well. It does look very smart and sophisticated when it's all framed up as well. So there are a few smaller ones that I've often do in demonstrations, just examples, and I'll put a link to the category on my gallery page so you can have a look at them. They are priced, the price you see includes courier delivery, and that is anywhere that DHL delivers, so pretty much most of the world. If there's something you like, you can simply purchase there and you should get your painting within a week or so. All right, that's it. I hope you take a moment to have a look and see if there's something you like. If you have any questions, you can just send me an email and I will give you whatever answer you require. Remember, on my gallery page as well, you can check the currency, your preferred currency. There's a little box on the right-hand side where you can pick the currency in the drop-down menu and see what it costs in your currency. Okay, hope you enjoy that. Cheers for now.